What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Mastered Ultra Instinct Goku. Okay, so today we are going to draw MUI Goku from Dragon Ball Super. For this tutorial all you need is an HB2 pencil. If you want you can use a mechanical pencil as well. But that's it. So without further ado, first make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 4 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. We are going to start by drawing Goku's face. We'll do that by using 5 lines. Then we are going to mark his hairline. And we'll proceed by drawing the famous wrinkles between the eyes. We'll do that by using 4 lines. And from that point we're going to draw the eyebrow, again by using 4 lines. We'll do the same for the left side. And to create the eye, we'll use 3 lines, 2 diagonals and the curve, and right below we are going to add the cheek marks by using 2 diagonals and some curves as well. We'll add the bump above the eye, and we're going to do the same process for the left side, using the square as a guideline to keep the right symmetry. Also, next we're going to add the iris and the pupil. And then we are going to draw his nose. We'll do that by using 5 lines, following the next steps. And just like always in Dragon Ball, the mouth is placed with a very tiny margin from the nose. Next we'll draw the shape of the ears. We'll do that by using 4 lines. And only then we are going to add all the details inside. Next we are going to draw Goku's hair from the front. We'll draw his 4 spikes, again by using some curves. Don't forget to add his sideburn right there. Next we are going to draw 2 lines to create his neck, and then we are going to draw 2 spikes, 1 on each side. And after that we are going to use this guideline. As you can see, it's roughly the shape of Goku's hair, and once we got this guideline we can add the rest of the spikes without worrying about keeping the right symmetry. So as you can see, I'm just adding the rest of the spikes. We'll do that by using 2 to 5 lines. We'll do some adjustments. then we'll add one more spike right there. Awesome, next we're going to add some details to the hair by drawing some lines in the direction of the shape, in the direction of the spike. Awesome, next we're going to draw the torso. So first I'm gonna start with a rough shape of the torso. I'm doing that by using some geometrical shapes, indicating these traps, indicating the chest area, the shoulders. And once I got the overall shape, I can add the details again without worrying about the proportions, because I got the proportions right at the beginning. So I'm just gonna refine the traps, add the chest muscles. Drawing the nipples, add the biceps, following with the shoulder muscles, the tricep, and of course the neck muscles is Adam's apple. And we'll get rid of all the guidelines. Awesome, so now we're going to grab the black color pencil, although you can use a black pen as well. And we are basically going to go all over the lines. And of course, make sure to rotate the page, because you want to go with your natural hand movement. That way it will be much more comfortable and easier to ink. Of course, make sure to hold the pencil closer to the tip, that way you will have more control. And once we are done, we can start the shading process. So first I'm gonna take the mechanical pencil and we'll mark all the shaded areas for this drawing. This process is called cell shading. It's what they do in 2D animation back in the day when it was traditional, and also now when it's digital. And for this drawing I want the main light source to come from the right side, which means that the left side will appear darker, of course. Once we marked all the shaded areas, we can start the shading. So we are going to start with the darkest tone. For that we are going to hold the pencil closer to the tip. That way we can apply more pressure and we'll get a darker tone of lead by doing that. And as you can see, I'm shading with the direction of the shape. Also, next we want to color the mid-tone. That's a mid-tone of gray. For that, we are going to hold the pencil at the center. That way we can apply less pressure than before, and by doing that we'll get a brighter tone of gray. And just like before, shade in the direction of the shape. Awesome, once we are done with that, we want to get a brighter tone of gray. That's gonna be the brightest tone, and we'll do that by holding the pencil closer to the eraser. That way we can apply even less pressure than before, and by doing that we'll get a brighter tone of gray. Next, we're going to color the eyes. You can use a silver color pencil or just use your HB2 pencil. Honestly, it looks the same. So we are going to do the same process for the hair, starting with the darkest tone, moving to the mid-tone, and finally the brightest tone. Awesome. Now, if you want to get a smoother transition between the tones, you can blend the colors using your finger, just like that. We'll do that for the hair, for the face, for the torso. Basically blend everything.
CJ knows.
And now that it's more smooth, we'll just do some adjustments, adding some more shade to the mid-tone just to get more contrast. Awesome, finally, we're going to add some bruises. We'll use the black color pencil again, adding some straight lines right next to each other and just spreading it all over. And we are done, everybody. So this is how you draw Mastered Ultra Instinct Goku from Dragon Ball Super per wave. Let me know how you did, comment down below in the comment section, and make sure to leave a like and share this video with your friends. This will help me to create more tutorials for you guys. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.